Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this class on selling with Act. Now, Act is a contact manager, but it's actually a great sales tool. Now, if you're in an established business and you're not doing that much active selling, it's still a great tool for doing customer service and follow-up. I think they're much the same as far as your attitude towards working with the contacts in your database. What I try to do in this class is, besides just giving you the how-tos, I try to give you a little bit of a strategy or a way to think about working with all those contacts. Whether you have 200 contacts in Act or 20,000, it really doesn't matter. In a nutshell, if you can't tell me how many clients and prospects you have in your Act database, well, my contention is that you don't really have a full understanding of what's in there. And if you don't have an understanding, who are those contacts that are slipping through the cracks? I talk about a Monday plan. I call it the 3 Monday plan, where it's what I practice in my office, where I make sure that at a minimum, every single relevant contact in Act is going to be touched some way by phone call, in person, or typically with an email, because it's a little bit easier to do in this day and age. I make sure that everyone gets touched once a quarter. Frankly, I just want to stay in touch with them so they know I'm thinking about it. And I truly am. So my philosophy is fairly simple. Stay in touch with people that are important to you. If Act has contacts that are important to you, you can't forget about them. You got to make sure that they never slip through the cracks. To me, the thing I never want to have happen is I don't want you to go to bed at night thinking, oh man, who's that contact in Act that I forgot to contact? Who is that contact that forgot I exist because I haven't touched base with them? Hence, they haven't bought anything from me in a while, or they haven't done any repeat business. To me, that's just a huge mistake. Act as a tool is great to avoid that. And I'm going to teach you how to make sure all your contacts in Act get touched on a regular, consistent basis with this course. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much for being here. It is greatly appreciated. You have a phenomenal day. Thank you.